Please do sit down. As Vice-Chancellor of the University, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this afternoon's ceremony for the School of Computer Science, School of Physics, Astronomy and Mathematics, and School of Life Sciences. May I introduce the platform party and welcome on my right Commander Sarah West, who will be receiving the honorary award of a Doctor of Science. Next to Commander West is Mr. Bob Forrest, who will be receiving a fellowship, and on my far right, Professor John Senior, Professor of Communication Networks and Pro-Vice-Chancellor for Research. On my immediate left, Professor Graham Galbraith, Deputy Vice-Chancellor of the University, and on my far left, Professor Sean Ryan, Dean of the School of Physics, Astronomy and Mathematics. May I also particularly welcome our graduates, their relatives and friends to this afternoon's ceremony, and of course, our special guests. We will now proceed with the conferment of awards, and I have pleasure in calling upon Professor Ryan to read the citation for conferment of a fellowship on Mr. Bob Forrest.
Vice-Chancellor, it is my pleasure to present for the Award of Fellowship, Mr. Bob Forrest. Each year, the University's Astronomical Observatory at Bayfordbury provides around 2,000 visitors with a unique scientific experience and unforgettable memories. The visitors comprise students, staff, amateur astronomers, community groups, school children, and the interested public. From its beginnings in the 1970s with just one telescope, it has been transformed into Britain's foremost teaching observatory, now comprising 6 optical telescopes, 4 radio telescopes, and an atmospheric LiDAR system. Much of the credit for this development goes to Bob Forrest, who was the observatory's principal technical officer from the 1980s until the end of 2010. Under Bob's guidance, the observatory underwent a major expansion in 2000. This included the addition of 3 of the 6 domes and an operations building where students could analyse their data. The operations building was named after and opened by the icon of British astronomy, Sir Patrick Moore. Bob played a key role in developing the observatory's radio astronomy capability. The largest radio telescope has a 4.5 metre diameter dish. Bob wrote the software for controlling the telescope and for acquiring the data from the radio receiver. Students use this telescope to map the hydrogen gas clouds that trace the spiral arms of our galaxy, but which are invisible to optical telescopes. When Bob retired from the university in 2010, the telescope was named the R.W. Forrest Radio Telescope in honour of Bob's work. Bob also pioneered the acquisition and installation of a set of 3 3-metre diameter radio telescopes. Stationed at intervals along a line, these 3 telescopes form an interferometer, with radiation from all 3 dishes being combined to provide a detailed view of astronomical radio sources. Bob was enthusiastic about adding breadth to the Bayfordbury activities and helped establish a strong connection with the neighbouring Science Learning Centre east of England, which he assisted in providing training for science, technology, engineering and mathematics teachers. Bob also undertook and published observations of an exceedingly rare event in 1989 when Saturn's largest moon, Titan, passed in front of a distant star. Bob's observations, and those conducted elsewhere, established Titan's axial symmetry and wind speed profile. These inferences may sound academic, but they were important in the subsequent Cassini-Huygens space mission. In 2005, a joint NASA-European Space Agency probe successfully landed on the surface of Titan, descending through its atmosphere and marking the first landing of mankind on a body in the outer solar system. At a cost of £2 billion, and after a journey of 2 billion miles, the last thing the Huygens probe needed was a nasty surprise regarding the shape or atmospheric wind profile of Titan. I'll note that while a £2 billion space mission may sound astronomical, it works out at less than £1 per mile, which is about the same as an Uno bus trip. For over a quarter of a century, the Bayfordbury Observatory benefited from Bob's enthusiasm, expertise, and dedication. He was always the first and the last person on site for open evenings. It was Bob who people relied on to control the telescopes and if they needed adjustment. He ensured that staff and visitors had the best possible experience, and yet he seemed to have an endless patience and a persistence, and working in his shirt sleeves, a tolerance to the cold that Sir Ranulph Fiennes would have admired. Vice-Chancellor, in recognition of the leading role played in the development of the university, the positive experience of our students, and our relationships with the community, I am delighted to present for the Award of Fellowship, Mr. Bob Forrest.
I now have pleasure in calling upon Professor Galbraith to read the citation for conferment of an honorary award of Doctor of Science on Commander West.
Vice-Chancellor, it is my pleasure to present the award of Honorary Doctor of Science to Commander Sarah West. 19 years ago, Sarah West received from this university her first-class honours degree in mathematics. Sarah's achievements since graduation have become a source of great pride, and today we honour her once more. Today's graduates will recognise that under pressure, they found the strength to excel beyond their expectations. Though many will have struggled with mathematics in particular, few will have taken the feeling of being all at sea with mathematics as the inspiration for an entire career. Sarah West, it seems, did just that. Sarah joined the Britannia Royal Navy College 2 years after completing her degree. It was 1995, just 5 years after the Royal Navy first allowed women to go to sea. As one of the first generation to embrace this opportunity, Sarah distinguished herself as a trailblazer, not only by what she did, but how exceptionally well she did it. Our trickiest coursework assignments are trivial in comparison to mine clearance in the waters of Iraq, yet it is this kind of activity which has earned Sarah West the praise of her superiors. Sarah is highly regarded for her mastery of ships' weapons systems and as an expert in underwater warfare systems and large-scale Navy planning. Bearing responsibilities that require round-the-clock vigilance and dedication would be enough for most of us. Yet at the same time as serving in the Middle East, Sarah somehow found the time to complete another honours degree, this time in law through the Open University. This illustrates Sarah's immense capacity for hard work and her desire for lifelong learning. The highlight of Sarah's career so far is her appointment as commander of HMS Portland, a Type 23 frigate, which is a modern British warship. She took charge in 2012 and in doing so became the first woman to command a major warship in the 500-year history of the Royal Navy. not just achieving success, but making history at the same time. In appointing Sarah to the rank of Commander, the Royal Navy cited her leadership, confidence, moral courage, sound judgment, and excellent people skills. What better endorsement could there be for the attributes we want our graduates to embody? Commander West serves as a beacon to our students, showing what can be achieved through dedication. Now, as Sarah was a mathematics graduate, it seems fitting to highlight a few key numbers from her career. 4,600, the number of British citizens evacuated from Beirut during the 2006 Lebanon War, with Sarah playing a major logistical role. 2008, the year Sarah coordinated the UK's naval operations in the Balkans at the time of Kosovo's declaration of independence. 185, the number of crew members on HMS Portland whose safety depends upon Sarah's leadership. 4, the number of mine hunters which Sarah has commanded. And 1, she is about to be the first mathematics graduate of the university to be awarded an honorary doctorate from our institution. Vice-Chancellor, in recognition of her outstanding achievements in the Royal Navy and her embodiment of the spirit of the University of Hertfordshire graduate attributes, I am delighted to present for the award of Honorary Doctor of Science, Commander Sarah West.
I now call upon Commander Dr. West to address the Assembly.
Vice-Chancellor, graduates and guests, I'm not sure I can really follow that, but if I ever need a speechwriter, I know who to ask. Thank you very much. You won't be surprised to hear that I'm extremely honoured to accept this award, particularly from a university that I hold in extremely high regard and one that did kindle my interest in learning, which, as you heard, has continued throughout my naval career and continues to this day. I feel particularly privileged to share the graduation day of so many successful students. Congratulations to all of you. Hopefully, some of you may be considering a career in the armed forces, but whatever your chosen career paths, I wish you well for the future. We've already heard, I'm afraid, that it was 19 years ago, and those of you that are currently questioning what your career path might take, hopefully I can reassure you that I was sat where you were 19 years ago, and I wasn't sure either. You've got to go for your goals and just think about what you need to do and set your targets high. And hopefully, as one of the honoured few who are alumni of the University of Hertfordshire, you will soon join me, and I wish you all the well for the future. Thank you very much.
We shall now receive the graduates of the School of Computer Science, School of Physics, Astronomy and Mathematics, and School of Life Sciences. Candidates are presented by a senior member of academic staff from their school, and I first call upon Dr. Maria Schilstra to make the presentations.
Faculty of Science, Technology and Creative Arts, Doctor of Philosophy. Gisele de Souza has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a program of work entitled Optimization of Neuronal Morphologies for Pattern Recognition. Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Gisele de Souza.
James Thomas Folder has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled the environments of high redshift active galactic nuclei, Vice-Chancellor Dr. James Thomas Folder.
Doctor of Philosophy. Mark John Galloway has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled Rubies in the Dust, Tracing High-Mass Star Formation Throughout the Milky Way. Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Mark John Galloway.
Doctor of Philosophy. Peter David Herbert has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled A Complete Study of Radio Galaxies at Redshift 1/2, Vice-Chancellor Dr. Peter David Herbert. Doctor of Philosophy. Samantha Hickey has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled Star Formation in Galaxies from the Epoch of Reionisation to the Present Day. Vice-Chancellor Dr. Samantha Hickey.
Doctor of Philosophy. Sven Mark has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled Self-Organized Task Differentiation in Homogeneous and Heterogeneous Groups of Autonomous Agents. Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Sven Mark.
Doctor of Philosophy. Prasad Nambiar has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled Improving TCP Performance in Mobile Ad Hoc Networks by Local Retransmissions. Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Prasad Nambiar.
Doctor of Philosophy. Harriet Alice Louise Parsons has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled A Submillimetre Study of Massive Star Formation within the W51 Complex and Infrared Dark Clouds. Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Harriet Parsons.
Doctor of Philosophy. Frank Penchak has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled Static Guarantees for Coordinated Components, a statically typed composition model for stream-based processing networks. Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Frank Penchak.
Doctor of Philosophy. Faisal Ibn Rezwan has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a programme of work entitled Improving Computational Predictions of Cis-regulatory Binding Sites in Genomic Data. Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Faisal Ibn Rezwan.
Doctor of Philosophy. Manuel Duarte de Vasconcelos Silva has been awarded the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in recognition of a program of work entitled Runaway Stars in the Galactic Halo, Origin and Kinematics. Vice-Chancellor, Dr. Manuel Duarte de Vasconcelos Silva.
School of Computer Science, Master of Engineering degree in Computer Science, with first class honours, Tosin Abidemi Fafawara. With first class honours, Samuel James Jenkins. With first class honours and winner of a university prize, Graham Edward Rockhill. With first class honours, Lee Anthony Walton. Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Science, Kemi Ejeji. Bradley Okuoko Sarpong. Jake Anderton. Richard Obiora Anyanetto. Ali Atiea. Sam Robert Austin. Mikhil Bimal Babla. Kajenthiran Balasubramaniam. Sanga Bariale. Jack Robert Barnes. With first class honours, Robert Blackman. With first class honours, Gianni Philippe Bruno. Alan Daniel Byrne. Richard Felix Cantor. Victoria Rose Carell. James Francis Chandler. Samson Chumbu. With first class honours, Alec George Doran Twyford. With first class honours, Uko Ekpo. Anthony Eluwadalo. Matthew Reginald Eng. Pedro Ferreira da Silva. Anthony Duncan Frankland. With first class honours, Arnie Michael Fuller. Jonathan Funes Oblias. With first class honours, Lawrence Gattier. With first class honours, Zhu Han. With first class honours, Archie Hoyston. Arafatul Hock. Alexander Ivailov Hirstoskov. With first class honours, Amy Louise Hutchinson. Milesh Kanadia. Benson Manuhe Kararu. Adrian Hoi Yen Lee. Kevin Mason. Charan Kamal Singh Matharu. Nayan Kumar Narendra Kumar Mistry. Sahim Mohammed Amin. Laura Claire Morley. With first class honours, Richard Andrew Mumford. With first class honours, George Anthony Merton. Luis Francesco Nakato Ponce. With first class honours, Light Uzoma Ndabwizu. Adrian Roger Nelson. Dorwu Aluwa Tolawasi Oladapo. Chung Fai Daniel Pang. Chintan Rukesh Patel. Punil Bipimpai Patel. Robert Lukaz Piastka. Arami Rashid. Zieki Verdell Roberts. Rayan Russell. Samir Rastamzada. Vienel Samuels. James Robert Saunders. Lloyd Stemple. With first class honours, Fiona Elizabeth Stray. Gregory Turner. Gulba Olgu. With first class honours, Deborah Uedia. Matthew William Van Buren. Richard John Wincott. Ahmed Abdul Hakim Yaslem. With first class honours, Christos Michael Zavros. Diploma of Higher Education in Computer Science, Rajinder Singh Babra. Nayan B. Vakaria. Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence, Liam Bove. With first class honours, Nikita Marie Hickson. With first class honours, Philippe Kok Fung Man. Mian Atta Ullah Shah. Christopher James Wilson. With first class honours, Yung Shun Yung. Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Science, Networks, Alexander Andrew J. Christo. With first class honours, Stephen Collins. With first class honours, Gangodo Wilagi Godfrey Mathiasha Dabarera. Ramachandran Jayanthan. With first class honours, Cynthia Maiza Montero da Silva. Adiemi Moses Folaseo Olonio. Mahmoud Omar. Ketan Natwabe Patel. Sam Salamipur. With first class honours, Kieran Whiteman. With first class honours, Michael Hanselke Wynn. Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Science, Software Engineering, Mohammed Youssef Abdullahi. With first class honours, Darren Arthur Coxall. With first class honours, Simon Freitas Fernandez. With first class honours and winner of a university prize, Elliot Charles Ford. With first class honours, Sandy Roy Gastado. Jobin George. Liam Gleed. With first class honours, Stephen Martin Hills. Wasif Ilyas. Pratik Javdavji Kare. Oluwatoyin Abraham Kuponi. Asvid Alam Malik. Samuel Morris Donnell. With first class honours, James Peter Rose. Abayomi Paul Sodimu. Kerry Louise Turner. Sonil Dinesh Kumar Vichandi. Ankite Hitechi Visnulal. Eugene Wise. Akash Zaveri. Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Studies, Ashwin Kumar Bariya. With first class honours, Catherine Louise Lothar. With first class honours, Adam Graham Mitchell. Palino Nkaka. With first class honours, Matthew Nathan Tong. Bachelor of Science degree in Information Technology, Waqas Ahmed. Mohammed Jawad Hassan. Adibowale Oladele Aditola Daniel Iyano Akinola. Saeed Anis. Jean-Pierre Aquilina. Hakan Arslan. Ashate Emmanuel Ashley. With first class honours, Mohammed Haroon Azam. With first class honours, Remy Azopadi. Abdullah Hahi Bayi. Nicola Rosalind Claire Maria Birajaraz. With first class honours, Zahid Khalid Bisim. Pauline Robbie Chacha. Molubi Chisenga. Priti Dipala. Beulah Evans. Simeon Okenakevwi Ivuiroro. Junior Yuhu Bari. With first class honours, Jonathan Charles DeFay Feist. With first class honours, Amanda Susan Field. Kerry Jane Foster. Aidan Honor Gogolu. Jonathan James Grant. Saadia Halima. Ruhul Hussain. Waka Hussain. Hafiz Olan Rawaju Jimson. Nazish Karim. Dervis Kamal. With first class honours, Richard King. Gurjit Singh Kohli. Osman Thomas Kokobili. Adibola Tohebat Koledoyi. Cleon Mario Claudio Lawrence. Link Robert Maruta. William Mays. Suraj Mapani. Craig Anthony Miners. Jaldeep Nanias Mestri. With first class honours, Mutsa Oscar Muzembi. Michael Paul Needham. Ruth Wanjiku Nganga. Ozan Niazi. Daniel James Owen Nichols. George Nicolaou. Austin Osei-Boan Ode. Michael Olugbenga Oluwasium Osunsina. Farouk Ajibola Oyelola. Sean Pace. Hiran Kumar Patel. Reena Patel. Yatin Kumar Nayan Patel. Laura Elizabeth Robbins. Naisan Siberian. Noel Samat. Christopher Mark Satchel. Pravi Sathyalingam. Ketan Sakotra. Abimbola Olasambu Sodeki. Lauren Rebecca Stevens. With first class honours, Ricky Prakesh Taylor. Ellis James Taylor. Jade May Thomas. Priscilla Cynthia Thompson. Timothy Jason Luke Trod. Dulal Udin. Sachithra Dashana Wikramarachiche. George Zamet. Bachelor of Science degree in Information Technology, Business Systems. Samson Olawole Adikoya. With first class honours, Onuralp Sifsi. Kwabena Liazedzi Charles Dumenia. Samed Mahmoud Safi. Egha Osifo. Erton Unla. Bachelor of Science degree in Information Technology, Entertainment Systems. Favour Adideo Ajeji. Suraj Bhupendra Chahatralia. Philip Andrew Coons. Luke Aaron Das. Aaron Robert Frizzell. Usanoban Frank Imafidden. Mark Lee. Minesh Rajnikant Patel. Bachelor of Science degree in Information Technology, Web-based Systems. Kion Bakshi. Nathan Ebewo Francis Becker. With first class honours, Yen Fen Dang. Andrew John Dobson. Marley Larrington Nelson.
School of Physics, Astronomy and Mathematics. Bachelor of Science degree in Astrophysics. With first class honours and winner of the Robert Jack Prize, Holly Batchelor. Nicholas James Farrow. Thomas Andrew Ferry. Alexander Hindle Helm. With first class honours, Ben Tristan Holland. Aaron Matthew Hollocks. With first class honours, Mark Ian Pearson. Matthew Kenneth Pitts. Nipple Pravin. With first class honours and winner of a university prize and winner of the Chris Kitchen Prize, Samuel Nathan Richards. With first class honours, John Pearson Sharkey. Lawrence Anthony Short. With first class honours, Lawrence Taylor. Adam Travis Watson. Bachelor of Science degree in Physics. With first class honours, Timothy Robert Ollott. With first class honours, Lewis Timothy Belcher. Luke Dallison. With first class honours and winner of the John Shaw Prize, Craig Anthony Girdleston. With first class honours, Sean Charlesworth Hampton. Jason Philip Handy. David Jeffrey Harmon. Mehir Karastan. With first class honours, Alistair Ben Leggett. Daniel James Rowe. David Slough. With first class honours, Neil Alexander Thompson. Adam Richard Thornton. Mark Stephen Wallaker. Camilla Claudia Worrell Phillips. Bachelor of Science degree in Computing Mathematics, Robert Gerard McCarthy. Bachelor of Science degree in Financial Mathematics, Sarah Alley. With first class honours, Faisal Mohammed Awar. Ming Feng Chung. Mitesh Shashkant Danank. Jalil Jamil. Mohammed Hanif Khan. Neumann Khan. With first class honours, Jet Morgan. Tracy Adura Okraku. Michael Plale. With first class honours, Amy Louise Robson. With first class honours, Niall Richard Sapsford. Mina Amir Saurez. Saeed Shah. With first class honours, Roberto Dominic Teller. Michael George Theodosu. Zalia Wazar. Bachelor of Science degree in Mathematics, Carl Parr Kwesi Atu Taylor. With first class honours and winner of the Institute of Mathematics and its Applications Prize, Andrew Proul Branscombe. With first class honours, Mohammed Amir Brohi. Benjamin Cope. With first class honours, Anoop Gurum. With first class honours, George Alabodi Alakinwari Hamad. With first class honours, Matthew Michael Hooper. Noreen Akhtar Kazi. Victoria Mackman. De Gamble Marutha Muhu. With first class honours and winner of the Institute of Mathematics and its Applications Prize, Lee Allen Mitchell. With first class honours, Jennifer Lorraine Monkhouse. Philip Graham Murray. Andrew Nathan Philpott. Thomas William Piggott. Victoria Jane Juanita Raman. Alia Razak. Liliana Maria Rutska. Jazira Kaur Singh. With first class honours, Alexander James Stiff. Shirar Ujin. Venkatesh Vignash Varam. Rebecca Walker. Amy Washington. Deepjot Singh Wazoo.
Faculty of Health and Human Sciences, Master of Science by Research. Channi Patel has been awarded a degree of Master of Science by Research in recognition of a programme of work entitled Synthesis of Novel 1,2-benzothiazine Derivatives and Evaluation of their Antimicrobial Activity. Vice-Chancellor Channi Patel. School of Life Sciences, Bachelor of Science degree in Applied Biomedical Science, Emma Francesca Burnett. Amy Rosalind Easy. Parmina Khan. Ruth Godwin Leconadeo. Natombio Zizi Rejoice Nalvodo. With first class honours, Laura Catherine Stock. With first class honours, Lauren Victoria Wise. Bachelor of Science degree in Biochemistry with first class honours and winner of the David Cohen Prize and winner of the Society of Biology Prize, Jade Naomi Goff. Idnan Abbas Hussein. Abigail Ruth Neumann. Michael Adanamola Ogontuzi. James Peter William Price. Rosalie Proctor. With first class honours, Troy Daniel Warman. Bachelor of Science degree in Biological Science, Sabir Ahmed. Omnia Nasser Amer. Debbie Oluwatobi Amudeli. Natalie Hamling. Holly Louise Hughes. Cara May Samariva Nagel. Radhika Saratia. Erink Tabak. Zahira Claire Rahim Bezi. Diploma of Higher Education, Marcus Lee Goldring. Samiga Yuliga Mariatas. Bachelor of Science degree in Biomedical Science, Samir Ahmed. Kehinde Akinremi. Carlisle Casper Baker Jackson. Armina Balisaria. Nathan Anthony Barnes. With first class honours, Jack Barron. David Ade Damitukumi. Chaheo Dokia. Alev Ekmez. Mahmoud Hassan El Sayed Al Mandua. Aaron Fisahay. Suganash Gunasekaram. Ramia Mahendran. With first class honours, Arvinder Singh Mali. Lucia Ramdizai Mazengara. Winner of the Institute of Biomedical Science President's Prize, Anwin Mubah. Yusuf Mirza. Tapiwa Jacob Mafunda. Leisha Nair. Argami Colombo Nanquil. Peter Oluwatosin Olaway. Bhavnish Dushyant Patel. Nikul Patel. Ravisha Banu Prasad Patel. Michaela Georgina Pitraku. Laura Plaku. Chahaya Papat. With first class honours, Oliver Purdon. Arul Ryan Raju. Sofiat Balanle Salawawu. Poonam Salvea. Jade Naomi Simpson. Andrew Theodulu. With first class honours, Stanley Ode Ukemwenya. Heather Wingate. Bachelor of Science degree in Biotechnology with first class honours and winner of the GlaxoSmithKline Research and Development Prize, Hansraj Dayan. With first class honours, Daniel Paul Shaw. Bachelor of Science degree in Molecular Biology and Genetics, Amneet Kang. Christine Lee Maymay. Dafine Ened Sabazira. Denise Yvonne Tan. Maria Elizabeth Johanna Zalm. Bachelor of Science degree in Pharmaceutical Science, Yewande Oge Adebayo. Albert Adamarco Mensa. Nena Florence Dingba. Karen Yoshi. Kudawashe Kukechera. Naruzaman Nipu. Mira Vinod Pankania. Shankaran Peter Karan. Munir Shah Siddiqui. Shutri Shukla. Kalpesh Arvind Vajiani. Bachelor of Science degree in Pharmacology, Dominique Carroll. Benjamin Esigebi. Maisie J. L. Hopkins. Bernard Tinashe Nira. Oladapo Michael Odejire. Leslie Stevens. With first class honours, Emily Rose McKinley Thompson. Amarachi Brandon Ukaroma. Bachelor of Science degree in Physiology, Richard Kambuena Agekum Sakio. Michelle Anoa Bamfo Antwi. Darren Robert Churchwood. Simeon Harris Girard. With first class honours and winner of the Physiological Society Prize, Julia Kate Napton. Jackson Aladokan Abiodun Ogundare. Oscar Miguel Williams. The following awards were achieved under the University Joint Honours Programme: Bachelor of Arts degree, Valerie Ibukun Adewuzi. Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Science, Software Engineering, with first class honours, Lord Christian T. Tekigaga. Bachelor of Science degree in Information Technology with first class honours, Mohammed Umar Durrani.
That concludes the presentation of awards. I now have pleasure in calling upon Lee Walton to address the Assembly on behalf of the graduates.
Thank you, Vice-Chancellor, Mr. Forrest, Commander West, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Of course, we all know why we're here, but allow me to remind us that we are graduating today. This is an important milestone in our lives. I'm grateful to have been given the privilege, on behalf of the graduates here present, to express our gratitude for what we have achieved today. I began preparing for this present speech by searching on Google, and sadly, no, I haven't been paid to say that. And I asked, what is graduation? What does it mean? And I was told it is the receiving or conferring of an academic degree or diploma. And I thought, well, that was a bit obvious. But to me, it sounded a bit soulless, like it was missing something. I feel that today isn't just about the receiving of a degree. It's a celebration. It's a time for us to look back at our journey here, our achievements, and our memories at this university. It is also a time for us to look forward and venture forth equipped with the knowledge and experiences we have obtained. I'm sure you all agree that this is a beautiful moment in our lives. Therefore, we must express our gratitude here today to those who have helped us along this journey. To our families, for the laundry at the end of each month, we thank you. To our lecturers, for educating us in the ways it should not be done, we thank you. Our friends, for the good times, and the staff here at the University of Hertfordshire, for all their support, we thank you. I'd also like to thank the Vice-Chancellor for receiving the graduates from all the different schools here today. All these people have been the mould in our lives whilst attending this university. They've kept us motivated, they've kept us keen, and most importantly, they've educated us. Now finally, it wouldn't be an authentic speech without a quotation from a historical figure. So, in the words of William Shakespeare, I can no other answer make but thanks and thanks.
It now rests with me to conclude the ceremony, and let me do so by continuing the theme that Lee has started, that theme of celebration. Wasn't this just a marvellous celebration? Didn't they look splendid coming across the stage? Absolutely fabulous. But of course, it has, this year in particular, been such a marvellous year for celebration. The year started really with that wonderful pageant on the River Thames celebrating Her Majesty's Diamond Jubilee. Wasn't that a wonderful, if slightly damp, celebration? We then, of course, saw Bradley Wiggins winning the Tour de France, something many of us thought would never happen, an Englishman winning the Tour de France. Then we so nearly had a Scottish win at Wimbledon. Then the Olympics, weren't the Olympics just marvellous? What a celebration of what we in Britain can achieve. Wasn't it wonderful? Not just the athleticism of our wonderful sports people, but the organisation, the construction, the engineering, the volunteers who helped. It was absolutely marvellous. And I think we, as a country, were truly wonderful hosts to those who came during that Olympic period. Then the Paralympics, what a celebration those were. And then, of course, I was allowed to celebrate a Scottish victory at the US Open Tennis Championship when Andy Murray finally did it for us. Fantastic. Then we had the Ryder Cup. But we've also this year, and some of you will know this much better than I, we've also been able to celebrate the confirmation that the Higgs boson actually exists. What a fantastic achievement. And also, of course, we at the university have had two major celebrations. The first was our own Diamond Jubilee, but the second, more recently, one which our astronomers have been able to give us. That was the discovery of a new planet, a planet which is, relatively speaking, quite like Earth in terms of size and orbit round Sun. It's absolutely extraordinary celebrations this year. I, like Lee, would also, though, at this point, like very much to celebrate with the graduates the support which their mums, dads, friends, relatives have given them during their period while they've been at the university, because without that support, it would have been truly a very, very much more difficult task to get here. Graduates, will you join with me in celebrating the help that your parents have given us? Thank you very much. And of course, a small celebration for those behind me, my colleagues who have put so much work into these graduates. Let me finish, though, by reflecting something that Sarah said during her speech. She commented on trying to aspire to achieve your dreams. Graduates today, please take that to heart. Please do stretch yourselves, work hard, dream hard, and go out and achieve whatever it is that you want to achieve. And that applies to all of you. We genuinely wish every single graduate from the University of Hertfordshire to achieve their dreams. We'd also like some of you to become fabulously wealthy and then to remember the university. Ladies and gentlemen, will you join with me in one last congratulations and celebration of the achievements of our graduates. Please continue the celebration in the Alban Arena, but could I ask you now to be upstanding as the academic procession leaves the cathedral?